Hello my friends, and welcome back to an update video on how to install Sky Factory 2.5 Feed the Beast. Okay, we are going to dive right into this real quick. First thing I want to explain to you is that we have two different types of installers, or two different launchers that Feed the Beast is now using. They have one they're now calling the Legacy Launcher, and they have one now called the Curse Launcher. The Legacy is the old launcher, the Curse is the new. And it looks like they're trying to get rid of the Legacy, but there's too many of us old fogies that want to stick to something we know and not go to something we don't know. So they're keeping it around and decided to call it the Legacy. Alright, now before in the last episode there was two buttons here. One that said beta, one said stable. Now it just says download now. This is the Windows version. This is the one for Curse. I'm going to go ahead and click this while we talk and click run. The Curse one is really cool. It has a lot of neat things, a lot of bells and whistles in it. You can do chat, you can set up with your friends, you can do forums, you can set up your own mod packs. I'm going to click install real quick. You can do all kinds of cool stuff with it, and I really do like it, and I've used it before, but I didn't use it this time because when the Sky Factory 2.5 came out originally, it was not set up for Curse. It was just set up for the old Feed the Beast launcher, or should I say the Legacy launcher. So I use the Legacy, and I don't want to switch in the middle. I'm sure it'll be fine if I did, but it's just one of those things. I've worked a lot of hours on it, and I don't want anything to mess with it, so I'm not going to, ruffle the feathers or make waves. I'm going to click yes real quick here. And basically, this is all you have to do, and you're following me. I'm clicking launch now. All you have to do to launch the Curse. You're seeing everything. There should be a graphic, I believe, coming up now. Cool little graphic for Curse. It's got the bells and whistles. All right, if you haven't created an account with Curse ever before, just go ahead and create an account down here. Click that one. I already have one. Let me just sign in real quick. Yes, I can't type my password and username without talking. Alright, we get this nice welcome back screen. When you create an account, it asks you all kinds of neat information, and you create your own avatar, picture, whatever you want. I just chose one of the Minecraft ones. There's tons of stuff. Alright, we are now on the Curse launcher. It is that simple. This is really a neat little launcher. Has all kinds of stuff from chat to connecting with your friends to, I mean, you can make your own mod packs, and it's really, really cool. There's a lot of things I honestly don't know. But the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come down here and click on the Minecraft one, and we have to actually click install. So now it's actually installed it and ready to go. And we're going to go through, actually just go to one thing. This is all the mod packs, or you can create your own custom ones, or we're just going to go ahead and choose the ones that are part of Feed the Beast. And there's tons of them in here that are official Feed the Beast ones, but we are going to do the Sky Factory 2.5 proudly presents. We're going to install that. Now what I did is I clicked down here, anywhere in here, or I could just click install right here and it will install it for us. Alright, so you can click anywhere in that area and install, or let's go back to where we originally were. This is where it originally opened up. Now we'll click on Minecraft like we do, and it'll be here. Anything that you've installed will be in this first little section right here. And this is part of the Curse launcher, and it's really, really nice, and I really like it. But it does take a few minutes. While this is going, let me explain one thing. This series, I am doing mine on a web server. I actually got a server, and I think it's really cool. I'm having a lot of fun with it. If you need a server, or if you want to try a server with your friends, let me suggest one. It's called cubehost.com. There'll be a link down below on how to get there. It's only $12 a month. It's very affordable. Now it's not the biggest, doesn't have all the bells and whistles, but it's stable and it does exactly what you want. And I have to say, the customer service is incredible. The night the Feed the Beast came out, I opened a ticket, and literally 20 minutes later they had it set up and ready for me to go. All I had to do is start the server, and it ran. And then I logged into Feed the Beast and then connected to my server through Feed the Beast launcher, which is really, really cool. So the customer service is incredible. They take care of you really fast. I've opened several tickets trying to do things, and literally I get it done within 15-20 minutes at the most. Sometimes it's faster than that. So if you need a web server, let me suggest cubehost.com. and I'll have the address down below. If you click the one down below, I actually get I don't get much credit, but I get credit for referring you. So it would be nice if you do click on the link down below. And if you do want to try it, great. It's really nice. And $12, you really can't beat the price for what you get. And if you don't want to do this launcher, they'll do almost any mod pack out there. So go for it. All right, this is going to take, actually we're almost there. It's going to, once it gets to 127, it's basically installed. All right, we're ready to play now. You can launch it from here, which I showed you that, or you can launch it from Browse Mod Packs, just say Feed the Beast Mod Packs. You can launch it from here if you want to see it says play, or you can click here and you can click play. So there's a lot of ways of clicking play in here. So we're going to go ahead and click play, and it's going to go ahead and launch the Minecraft launcher. All right, this is the Curse launcher does a little bit differently. The Curse launcher will launch the Minecraft launcher, and we'll see it in just a second pop up. It's the traditional way of the way it looks like when you go into Minecraft with the username and the sign-on name. And it should come up in a minute, I promise. There it is right there. So this is the traditional launcher. You launch this and it will go ahead and launch our Sky Factory 2.5. Alright, so if we click here, we'll go to Sky Factory 2.5 and we're all done with the Curse. Alright, we're done halfway. We've done one launcher. We've done the Curse launcher. Let me go ahead and back out of this. And you remember, from this point, you would click this and it would actually open Sky Factory 2.5. You get that point, right? Yep. Let's go ahead and let me show you how to do the other launcher. And that is the Legacy launcher. We're going to click on that. And I'm going to go ahead and save it to my download folder. And as soon as it gets done with the security scan, we'll drag it to my desktop, and that's where we're going to launch it at. And now, with all this stuff, I'm not an expert at this. I'm just showing you how things work for me, and they work. So I'm not an expert. I don't know how to fix things. If you need help, check technical support. I'll leave the link down below again on how to get to technical support, and they will help you if you have any problems. It could be your Java versions. It could be all kinds of stuff. But I'm not that smart with that stuff. So check out technical support, join them, put your question in there, and that should, I'm going to go ahead and hit run here down. We'll go ahead and run it. But this is where you need to go to get technical support. I messed up just now. I went ahead and ran the application. What I usually do is I'll take it and I'll drag it and put it on my desktop, and then I'll launch it from my desktop, and then that's where I always launch it from. So I always have it there. So later on I will move that to my desktop, and I apologize if we missed that. All right, I'm going to go ahead and change my destination. I'm going to click the home button right here, and I have a Feed the Beast folder already. We'll put it there. Actually, we'll do Feed the Beast 2. That way it's a brand new folder and nothing messes up with it. That way, if you ever need any of your saved files or anything, it's on the desktop in the Feed the Beast 2 folder. So you can always open it up and look there. So I'm going to hit apply. You have to hit it twice for some reason. I don't know why. And now it is actually loading up the launcher. This is the launcher, that the old one, the Legacy as they're calling it. So this is where we go to Feed the Beast. Legacy launcher. And here's where we find the Sky Factory 2.5. It was at the top. I had to drag it. Now, here's the thing here. The difference between the Curse and this one, I'm going to go ahead and select my old user here. Once I hit launch here, you don't get that extra screen that we had a minute ago. Do I still have it up? No, I closed it. You don't get that Minecraft one. It literally dives right into the program. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. It's going to take a few minutes because now the difference between Curse is already downloaded all the mod packs prior to this. This one's actually downloading it now. So it's a little bit different. If I had to choose between the two, I would go with Curse because it's going to be the future, and this is the Legacy. It's going to go away one day. So I would choose the other one. But I do like how when I hit launch, it goes automatically right into where I want to go. It's not like an extra step. I run the Feed the Beast launcher, I click launch, and I get in my game. Where Curse, you have to run Curse, you have to hit play and Curse. Then once you hit play, you have to hit play again to get into the other thing. So it's like one more extra step. But I recommend Curse because it's in the long run. I think that's where Feed the Beast is going to go. And if you stay with a lot of the Feed the Beast mod packs, I think that's what you need to do. All right, let's see how we come in here. It's going to take a little while for this thing to run. It looks like it's already downloaded all the mod packs, but it takes a while for it to get it running. The splash screen should show up in just a minute. If it does, I'll come right back. If it doesn't, I'll show you when it does, and we'll be... Yeah, just not waste your time. I'll see you in a second. Alright, you saw how it's doing the download. Now it just went up to the splash screen. You don't have to sign in with the Minecraft sign-in thing. So I hope that makes sense now, the difference between the two and how I explained it. So now we're actually diving right into the game. It takes a few minutes for the installation the first time. It takes a while to load all the mod packs in the first place, but when you're doing the installation, it does take a little while. So just be patient. Well, for me, I have to be patient. For you, I'll be right back. Let's make this short for you.
Welcome, adventurer.
I love that. All right, we have installed it. We are ready to run. Again, this is the one. This looks the same either way, with the curse or without, with the legacy one. So whichever you want to go, this is where it all begins. This is where the fun is. If you want to create a world, just create one. Not a big deal. Just go with what it flows with, and that's it. Alright, my friends, I hope that hasn't confused you, showing two different launchers and how to load one just mod pack. But I want to show you both, the old and the new, the legacy and the curse. They're both good. Again, I prefer the curse, but I'm using the legacy. And then, yeah, if you have any questions, please make sure you use technical support down below. Now, if I've forgotten something, please leave in comments below. That way I can pass it along to our viewers. And if you see something you like, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and follow along my series as we go through the mod pack and doing all this stuff. It's really a lot of fun, and I'm having a great time, and I hope you have some fun with me. Again, thanks for watching, my friends, and have a great day. Bye, guys.